Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend, and this is Prince here at Trading Friend. Friends, I had uploaded a video previously on the new year, and after that I could not upload some videos. I could not upload any strategies. I could not work out on strategies. Basically, I think most of you will be knowing the reason, because I was little busy with babysitting, and now that I've sent my wife home, I'm little free and I'm able to do almost all my trading activities and do my research and do my studies and all those things. So kindly excuse me for the small gap, but for the gap which I have provided, I have come out with a very beautiful strategy today. And many were asking me, because previously when I made a video on our New Year resolution, many were asking me to please suggest a strategy which would be very useful, which is universally accepted, and which is also giving consistent returns year on year. So then I thought, why not work on my strategy which I had uploaded previously also. I had uploaded previously and it is working very nice. And I have selected Bank Nifty, because one of Bank Nifty is one among the best and the favorite of most of you all. So I felt that I should make a video, a strategy. This is nothing but an upgradation of my previous strategy which I had uploaded. So stay tuned till end of the video. I'll be giving full details about when to enter, when to exit, how to keep stop losses, how to keep targets, and as always, I have done the backtest also, and I will be providing the backtested Excel file also in case if you need. Okay, so stay tuned till end of the video. You can use it, and also for people those who have taken up the ATF mentorship program, you can start using this strategy as well. But the only condition is, only in case if you have completed 6 months, only then you can start diversifying. So you can start using the strategy only after 6 months. So if you're not completed 6 months, please use the strategy which I have given. That is nothing but the candle breakout, a simple strategy. Please follow only that strategy, because I want to keep trading very simple and we both have to be on the same board. So use the simple candle breakout strategy only, nothing else. Okay friends? And friends, also wanted to give a quick update. As you all know that recently I started my secret Telegram channel. I called it as the ATF educational channel. And friends, many of you were suggesting that they wanted to learn more about options. So if at all you feel that I should concentrate more into options in my channel, in my Telegram channel, then please do let me know by commenting or by WhatsApping me. So let me know if I should concentrate more, because I feel that I will completely stop educating about equity and commodity, and I'll start concentrating only on options. And also, in case if you are not aware how to join the channel, then stay tuned stay tuned. I'll be updating very soon how to join this channel as well, because there's a small criteria. It is not an open channel. It's only for a gated. it's for a closed community only. Okay, friends. So stay tuned till end of the video. Further any doubts, any clarification, you can always WhatsApp me. You know my number. It's 8095876525. So the challenges basically faced by the working people were a few. I just wanted to mention a few. That is why we did the modifications for our strategy, and that is why this latest Bank Nifty strategy is planned in such a manner that we don't have to monitor the screen always. Okay, this is one thing which the working people can't do. Second thing is, once after placing the order, they can't continuously keep monitoring to place the target and stop losses. And one more important criteria which most of them were asking me was to how to enter exactly at the open price. So considering all this strategy is going to be very easy and very simple. So before going just forward, as I already told you, this is about the ATF mentorship program. I'll be concentrating more towards money management and trading discipline, which is the most important factor. You can see it almost contributes 30% to 50%. 80% is about psychology and about money management. So in my ATF mentorship program, I'll be concentrating more on this part, and strategy is going to be only 20%, and I'm following a simple strategy of candle breakout, nothing else. Okay, so just want to give you update about that. Okay, now coming back to our strategy, the logic which you're going to use in this particular strategy is buy and sell at previous day resistance and support. So previously I had told you how to do the strategy, but I am showing this for 2019, and if at all you have strictly followed the strategy in the year 2019, you would have made almost 100% returns. So in this particular strategy, it is not difficult to catch the open price. You have to catch only the previous day high and the previous day low, and it's easy for everyone to trade, and I will be showing you exactly it has to be done. Okay, so the strategy is keep alarm at 9:15 a.m. and log into your trading terminal, and once that is done, buy above yesterday's high price and sell below yesterday's low price. And now what the tweaking which we are going to do is, we are just going to keep two bracket orders. One is going to be at the high price and one is going to be at the low price. Previously what we used to do, we used to keep a entry at the high price and low price and keep a stop loss and all those things. But now we are just going to keep a bracket orders, and in case if both the trades are triggering on that particular day, that means we are going to have two trades on that particular day. Yes, there might be two trades. So in case if the market goes top also, you're going to make some money. In case if the market comes down also, you're going to make some money. So during the gap ups and gap down, during this time we are going to skip trading. We are not going to do the strategy. We are not going to execute the strategy. Okay. Now I'll just show you the Excel so that you'll get a better understanding. So this is the 2019 data which I have back tested, and in fact I have also traded also, though I could not record my trades. This is just the back tested data. And friends, when most of the time when I show my back tested data, there are few of them who go line by line item and they keep asking me, so how did you get this? So this has to be this had to be that, this had to be this. Friend, this is done for your understanding, for making you to understand the concept. So don't go by line. In case if there are some mistakes or if there are some corrections to be done, kindly do it, because Excel is with you. I have not blocked the Excel or have not put password or anything of that sort. So use this Excel for understanding the concept. It is done for back testing purpose. Okay, so let us come to the strategy. So you can see on 2nd Jan the market opened at 27,410, and then it is between the previous day high price and the previous day low price. So you can see the high price is 27,532 and you can see the low price is 27,135. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to just keep a bracket order at 27,532, that is a buy bracket order, and I'll just show you. The stop loss is going to be 200 points, and then we are not going to keep a profit. We are going to leave it till end of the day. So many might ask me, how do we run the profit till end of the day in a bracket order? So what you can do is keep a big value like 1,000 points or 2,000 points as a target, and stop loss you can keep as 200 points. By this we are able to keep targets and stop loss. Okay, so we are keeping one bracket order here and keeping one bracket order here. So, and you can see on this particular day on 2nd Jan, the high was not broken. We reached only 27,523, and you can see the low also was not broken. We reached only 27,135. That is why you can see there is no breaking high, there is no breaking low, and overall there is no points on that particular day. Now when it comes to 3rd Jan, you can see it's very interesting. Opened at 27,260, and mind you, these are all options, features data, because you can trade only in features. And 27,260, you can see that the high price of 523 was not broken, but you can see the low price has been broken. So 27,260 came down till 27,175, and it went till 27,062, and it came back and closed at 27,097. So thereby you can see that we got a profit of 77 points. Okay, so this was a particular day where we had only one side movement, and on the other day you can just see yeah, this is a day when there are two movements. Yes, on 4th Jan you can see market open at 27,169. So as per the graphs you can observe, I took even the graphs and I went detailedly to see which trade executed first. So it has first broken the low. So the low was 27,062. You can see it went till 27,058, and it went above again. So that is why we got the breaking low. You can see we have mentioned as minus 200 as a stop loss. So stop loss has been hit, and then it has broken the previous day high of 27,319, and it has gone till 27,431, and it has closed back at 24,361. That is why we are getting a profit of 42.3 points. So overall you took two trades on this particular day, and you know that one is given a loss and one is given a profit, and then overall that is why we ended up with a loss of minus 157. So this is what you have to continue daily. And yeah, I just want to give you an example of gap up also. So you can see what do I mean by gap up. So the market has opened at 27,555, which is very much above high of the previous day, that is 27,430. That means it has opened at a gap up. So such kind of days we don't trade, we just quit. And on that particular day you can use our gap strategy, which I've already uploaded. Whenever there is a gap up and whenever there's a gap down, what you have to do, I have mentioned, I have made a video on that, so you can look into that strategy and implement the strategy. But whenever market is not having a gap up and gap down, you can use this particular strategy and make huge returns. Okay, so this strategy, friends, in the year 2019, I'll just show you the profits which it has given. So you can see, I'll just come down fully. Yeah, so the overall sum, I have taken the sum, nothing else, has given almost 5089 points, a huge points. And there is no complaint about not able to enter, because we are having sufficient time to enter. We are not entering at the open price, we are entering at the previous high and low. So you are having lot of time to place the order. The complaint of not able to get time to place order and all those things are not there. And let me just show you 5089. If you're trading with one lot, you're able to get 1 lakh rupees return. Even if you remove the brokerages and all those things, you're going to get 80,000 to 90,000 rupees, friends. It is a huge return. And once again, it has proved that consistency is the key. The secret is we should not change the strategy. You can see from day one to till the end. Okay, many times I kept on repeating to you that, yes, you can see that first day we made a profit of 77, second day we made a loss of 157, again we made a loss of 184. So again we made 0, again 25, again 28, again 17, minus 137, minus 198, minus 68. By this time people would have started to guess that, okay, this strategy is not working, it is not nice, because the results, it's like it's coming, having a positive, it's having a negative, it is going plus or minus and hardly making any profit. But friends, see the surprises here. You see the profit, it started making very huge profits, very big profits. So when the profit comes, it's going to be huge, and when the losses come, it is going to be small. This is the secret of a successful trading. Keep the losses small and make your profits run. Simple concept, simple theory, and don't even skip the strategy. If you feel that you're making 2 loss, 3 loss, 4 loss, you have to keep thinking that yes, there's going to be a good day, there's going to be a big profit coming, it is just around the corner, When you start thinking like that, it will give you motivation to continue trading. Okay, so this is all about the strategy. And coming back to the money management, keep one lot for one trading, for one lot keep 1 lakh rupees. That would be the minimum requirement. And as I told you, keep alarm at 9:15, log into trading terminal, keep stop loss of 100 points, and then close your trading terminal. Nothing else to be done. Friends, any other support, any other doubts, any confusion, you can always WhatsApp me. You know my number, 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.